welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We are back with Nate from Wichita Home Works. And Nate, we are standing in a kitchen that you guys recently renovated. You guys are pretty much done with this renovation, also along with a couple other rooms in this house. Tell me a little bit more about what you got here.
Yeah, so we got a couple final touches to put on this one, but this was a full kitchen remodel. We did a little bit in the living room with a fireplace. We did the laundry area, the master suite, and then we did a whole bunch of concrete outside. So got a lot of things going on, but the real highlight of the project was this kitchen for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Take me through, because there are some cool, unique features that you guys have in this kitchen here.
All right, so we've got the quartz countertops, and that's actually a leathered finish, so it's not perfectly smooth. We've got the backsplash with the herringbone pattern on it. We've got the under cabinet microwave, the birch cabinetry, and then the black accents on everything. And then we also did an accent with this island. We did a lighter quartz with that. And I really like how all those colors kind of pull together. Yeah. It's pretty period specific for the property. This is a 50s era home, and I think we did a good job of kind of bringing in some contemporary elements as well as still kind of keeping it with the style.
Yeah, definitely. I really like the kind of color scheme, and the it just like is a little bit different than your typical renovation in my mind a little bit. Like you said, kind of just keeping the overall character of the home. I love that you guys are able to make a design so custom to whatever fits your client, you know. So many different things that you guys can do. So take me through some of the other places that you have worked on here in the kitchen.
They've got the new stainless steel appliances. We've got an undermount sink here. Those are really common. It matches the countertops. We've got the trash bins on the pull-out. Those are always a fan favorite for us. Keeps everything nice out of the way. Yes. Yep. And then we got lots of pantry space over here. This is that black accent. Yeah. I thought it went really well with the natural wood look as well.
Love the gold.
Yeah, yep, and then the gold hardware, so.
Cool. So you listed it out a little bit in the beginning. The kitchen's really the big one, but can you touch on some of the other areas that you worked on? Because that patio too is really cool.
Yeah, so we did the fireplace. We did the whole face of the fireplace, new mantle, new hearth, tile fascia on that, did some paint. We also did paint and flooring, and a little bit of layout rework in the laundry and master bedroom area. We added 2 new patio doors over there out onto that back patio. We've got a nice stamped concrete patio, looks like natural stone. Yeah. And we even did the porch out front with the ramp and the driveway. As well, so kind of all over the place, but really turned out nice.
Lastly though, can you let people know how they can contact you if they're interested in doing something?
Yeah, so they can give us a call at 316-303-4485 or visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com.
All right, thank you so much.
Thanks for coming
more
out.
of the show coming up next.